Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi again, my name is Ahmad Arif Abdul Nasir, matric number S41606, and I'm in group 26 of public speaking. Okay, this is my informative speech reflection video. So I want about my speech the other day. It seems that I really not ready for it, and because I have so long. It's not humming, but like that. Okay, it's like I am not well prepared for it. And other things is about my presentation. For my slides, there are so many pictures. No, I mean a few pictures that explain what happened to the world right now. Because my informative speech is about the world that facing the depletion of resources. Okay, so my slide is there are no info like numbers, like qualitative information. Only pictures. Okay, like illegal logging, uh, what the river is dirty, turbid, and stuff like that. So it's really not good thing for me to do that on informative speech. It is called informative, so my slides need to be have many info about what happened to the world right now. The numbers, the numbers for the trees in the world, like from back years and to the present. Okay, and what kind of development have the world have we improved. Okay, and stuff like that. And other things is like, because I'm too nervous the other day of not well prepared, so I'm kind of less eye contact with the audience, with the madam. And then, oh yes, my I face lack of sentence, I mean word, because I forgot that a word like makan, eat, right. So I forgot that word, and I just keep babbling about, explaining about it. Okay, and other things is no, I think that's all. That's all what I want to comment about my speech. Okay, for me it's just okay, but I'm really not proud of it because it's really disaster. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.